Hello and welcome everyone to this video. Today we are going to understand how to do hexadecimal subtraction, and in this video hexadecimal subtraction we are going to explore step by step. We will take many examples so that you get full idea that how the examples can be asked from this topic. So now without wasting any time, let's start today's video. So first of all, we need to understand how to do hexadecimal subtraction. So hexadecimal subtraction is very easy. We have done octal subtraction, we have done binary subtraction, so it is like that only. So it follows the same rule. Let's say we have two number a minus b. Now in this case, if we have the condition where a is greater than b, then the hexadecimal subtraction will act as decimal subtraction. Okay, and decimal subtraction is something that we have been doing from the years. Right, since the childhood we have been doing decimal subtraction. So I hope that you will not get any difficulties in doing the decimal subtraction. But let's say if your number a is less than b, so in this case we have to take the borrow. What we need to do, we have to take the borrow, and the borrow is 10. Borrow is 10, and 10 is basically the hexadecimal number. So hexadecimal of 10 in decimal will be 16. So that you need to understand. So here you are taking the borrow from 16. Okay, so let's understand this with the example. So we have 23 over here, from which we are subtracting 1 and 9 over here. Okay, so these 23 and 19, they are hexadecimal number. So 3 cannot be subtracted from 9, so we will take the borrow, and here 16 will come. Okay, now this 16 is basically in the decimal, so in the hexadecimal it is basically 10. So from 16 plus 3, that is 19, and from 19 if you subtract 9, then the answer will be 10, and this 10 means a. Okay, so your answer will be a, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So basically your answer here will be a. So this is how you are going to do hexadecimal subtraction. Now let's understand all these theoretical aspects with the example so that you get full idea that how to do hexadecimal subtractions. So we have the first example. In the first example, we have two numbers CB2. So I will write the number CB2, from which we need to subtract 972. Okay, 972. So here also, if you check out the first column, 2 minus 2 will be 0. Now B is equal to how much? B is equal to 11. Okay, I hope we all know that A is 10, B is 11, and so on. So from 11, if you subtract 7, your answer will be 4. And here we have C. So C is basically 12. Okay, C is basically 12. So from 12, if you subtract 9, then the answer will be 3. So CB2 minus 972, if we do, then the answer will be 340. But this number is in the hexadecimal. So this is very simple and basic example to start with. Now let's take another example. Here if we check out, we have two numbers. One number is 3B7. This is our first number, and the second number is 854. Now if you check out the first digit of the number, right? In the first number, the first digit is 3. In the second number, the first digit is 8. So here we can say that our second number, right, this is greater than 3B7. So our answer will be negative answer. Our answer will be negative answer. Now to make this example more easy, what we can do is we will do the subtraction in a reverse manner. So from 854 minus 3B7 we will do, and whatever the answer we will get, we will put negative sign in the answer. So our subtraction now is 854 minus 3B7. Okay, now 4 cannot be subtracted from the 7, so we will take borrow. So here will be 4, and here it will be 16. 16 plus 4, it will be 20, and from 20 if you subtract 7, then the answer will be 13. Okay, answer will be 13, which means D. So here answer will be D. 4 minus B cannot happen, so again we will take the borrow 7, and the borrow will be 16. 16 plus 4 will be how much? 20, and from 20 what we are subtracting? We are subtracting B. B means 11, so from 20 we are subtracting 11, so answer will be 9, and from 7 if we subtract 3, then the answer will be 4. Now this is our answer, but we know that the answer should be in the negative, so our answer will be minus 49D, and this is your hexadecimal answer. I hope guys with this example you understand that if the second number is bigger, then how to do the hexadecimal subtraction in an easier manner. So this is the trick that how you can apply the hexadecimal subtraction rules. Now moving on to the third and the last example of this video. Here we are going to take the complex numbers. So our first number is 2A7D 0.30D, and the second number is 8D9 point E8B. Okay, so this is our number. So we will start from the left only. Now D is 13 and B is 11. So D minus B if we do, the answer will be 2. Here we have 0 minus 8, hence we need to take the borrow. So our borrow will be 16. So from 16, if 8 is subtracted, then the answer is 8. Now again 2 cannot be subtracted from the E, so we will take the borrow. So 16 plus 2 is 18, and from 18 we need to subtract 14. So the answer will be 4. So C minus 9 if we do, C is equal to basically 12. So 12 minus 9 if we do, then the answer will be 3. So 7 minus D cannot happen, so we will take the borrow. So here 9 will come and 16 will be here as a borrow. 16 plus 7 is 23, and out of 23 we need to subtract D, that means we need to subtract 13. Hence the answer will be 10, that means A. So here our answer will be what? A. 9 minus 8 if we do, then the answer will be 1, and 2 minus 0, then the answer will be 2. So this is your answer of the subtraction of these two digits. I hope guys, with these examples, all these 3 examples, you understand how to do hexadecimal subtraction. In these videos, we are taking more examples so that you get full idea that how to do hexadecimal subtraction if the questions are asked. And as you all know, that digital electronics videos will be coming on every Monday and Saturday at the 6 p.m. So you can follow the channel, you can subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the update. As well as you can follow me on these social media handles. Here also I am putting interesting posts related to engineering. So don't miss out those posts also. So finally, let's wrap up this video. I am going to meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.